Good morning on this wintry cold Wednesday morning. So welcome to the morning show Signature FX, and we do have some good news regarding our daily show, our pre-market show on a Thursday and a Friday. So a little bit more of a reasonable time for any of our viewers. But this morning we are looking to get a trade on gold futures. We'll be discussing the news and chatting some charts. We'll see what's been happening in the markets overnight. So for myself, I was lining up for a gold position on long, but we can see we're getting a push down from M5 up to H1. So we just have to wait for our opportunity. I think I'm a little bit too late to get into a short position at the moment. So yeah, it's probably going to be no trade within the next 30 minutes unless we get a turnaround in the market. But good morning, Mandela. Welcome to the show. We're fashionably late. So
yes, fashionably late.
How are we? How are we doing?
Everything's good. Good day yesterday for the trading. Just traded S&P 500, and it was just a good day. I think a lot of people were bent out of shape over the DeepSeek news, which we actually touched on. I think on our Monday show. We talked quite a bit about DeepSeek and implications and things. And so we got a bit of a panic sell on Monday, and that was bought up yesterday. Everybody seemed to think that it was overdone, and they ended up buying the dip. And it was a great day to be a trader yesterday. That's for sure.
Yes, no, same here. Got a nice long and short position on gold yesterday. So you traded S&P for the change, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, great stuff.
It was good.
Nice long position on US Open yesterday, right?
Yes, exactly. I can share. Let me share one of them. So this was one of the trades here. So we got in. This was the open here. And then we got in, let me see if this works. So we got in here as we were breaking out of the opening range. We hit a bit of a peak and then got out here. So that was a nice little bump.
Yeah, it's a good move. Yeah.
That ended up being that was $616. So we got in at $9.80 and left at, or exited at $16 to give us a grand total of $616, and that was a 63% profit on that trade.
Nice.
And then we had one more. We had a second one. This was the second trade in the afternoon. Similarly, we came almost down as far as the opening range, but not quite. And we rode it back up here to give us our second trade for today. And that was a nice, let's just use the percentages, 117% profit. We bought at $9.10, sold at $19.80. It was good. Yeah. It was a good day.
Yeah, good trading. No, fair play.
Thank you.
Eclipses my gold. I think I took 450 on gold yesterday. So we caught
some
moves yesterday morning. And
gold was good.
It's been a good week so far. So we are on our, I don't know what do I call it, the PA Apex account, or the funded Apex account. So we're up 467 at the moment. So yeah, we need to get to a profit level of 3.1, and anything over 3,100 we can look to withdraw. So yeah, we're doing okay at the moment. We're 1/6 of the way there. So yeah, it'd be nice to get that up to around 750 by the end of the day. But slow and steady is going to win the race on these funded accounts. Also funded with wealth charts with Apex. So we'll be looking at them for next week. But they're in the parking lot at the moment. But we will take a look at those accounts. So for myself, potentially I'm looking to get into a buy position later on this morning. And yeah, we're looking at some sort of breakout here. I can see on the charts M30, H1 and H4 showing an upward trend, but we're still down on the M5, M15. So I need to see a bit of a directional change here. And yeah, we could be looking to take a long position, but there's lots of news going on today. Should we have a quick look at the news?
Yeah, let's do it. So for today, it's Fed Day. It's a good old-fashioned Federal Reserve Day today. So just be careful, especially if you are trading this afternoon. We could get some big moves out of the based off of the Federal Reserve announcement. So we have the Federal Reserve statement at 7 p.m. The interest rate decision also at 7 p.m. and then the good old-fashioned press conference. My predictions, that's 30 minutes later. And these are all UK time. My predictions, Andrew, is that he gets at least 2 or 3 questions about AI, DeepSeek. And he says to all of them, we are going to look at it, but our main concern is inflation and employment. He's just going to shrug them off. But that's today. So be aware of these 3 headline items. I think those are what's really going to drive markets later on in the afternoon, and then also for tomorrow.
Yeah, I wouldn't just a guesstimate. I wouldn't be surprised if we see interest rates staying the same or even a slight cut. Yeah, they are going to try and push the price of that dollar up. And yeah, with regards to AI, you know, Trump's speaking about it a lot. He does want an American-made AI, so yeah, I think they will brush off the DeepSeek and they will try and promote what they're going to do in the US over the next year. So for sure.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just still looking at this buy position. We're looking for a break above this Heikin-Ashi here, and we can see now we're starting to get some change in direction across multiple charts. So yeah, we could be taking a long position pretty soon. Let's have a look at the charts for today. So especially Bitcoin. So yeah, I know that tanked on Monday. We got a recovery yesterday.
Yes, we did.
Today.
All right, let's pull it up. So we still have what would be called the Asian session range from yesterday. Haven't updated it yet, but you see we plushed right through it. So the way I like to think about it, Andrew, is if we did have, let's say we had a whole lot of orders here built up along the Asian session low. So these would be buyers putting their stop losses around here. And then what happens? We went right through their stop losses, took them out, and then popped right back up. So a classic stop run. Take out the stops and then reverse higher is where we're at. But I think today could be interesting too because of the Federal Reserve interest rate decision later on in the day. All-time high is we're not that far away from it. If we take a quick look, so we are about 6%. It's about 6.5% away. For Bitcoin, I'm not saying we get there today, but we could definitely start heading in that direction.
Yeah, so for myself, just looking at that chart, I can see a higher high than, I think it's 4 lower highs on the chart. So I think we need to start breaking some of those levels. So we need to break through that 50% fib level, and then we could see the push up. But I think, like I've said, since November the 5th, I'm expecting a strong dollar. So yeah, after today's news, wouldn't be surprised if we do see a little push back down. But yeah, for myself, I'd like to see a comfortable break through that 50 fib, and then yeah, we could be seeing the push higher.
Yeah, I actually want to take. I'm going to take the other side, and I'm going to say for the dollar, I think that Trump is talking about a stronger dollar, but it actually will help the US if he has a weaker dollar. So I'm going to take the other side. I think we get a weaker dollar in the next few months because it will help his exports. It would also help Middle America, which is a lot of his voters. And I also think it's what not many people are expecting. So with a weaker dollar, it will help Americans to be great again.
Yeah, that's a really good point. But hopefully he can see it like that. But I think he's going to be more about putting dollars in people's pockets and giving that dollar some strength. So yeah, no, it's a good shout. And if we can't break that 50 fib level, yeah, we could be seeing a push down. But let's see sorry, we could be seeing a push up once we break that 50 fib level. So yeah, it's going to be interesting, and we'll see what the news delivers later.
Yeah, let's see. I think it's sometimes it's nice when we're on different sides of a trade. We just let the machine decide. Just let the market decide.
Ultimately, it will, right? So
it will. No matter what we think, no matter what I think. I mean, and I'm happy to be wrong here, but I do know other countries like to devalue their currency so that it becomes more favorable for exports.
That makes sense. Makes total sense.
And it would still make the dollar, it will still be the world reserve currency. People, I think the main thing that Trump wants is for everybody to transact in the dollar. And making it weaker, I think, makes it a little bit more favorable to transact with. But we'll see.
Yeah, certainly abroad for sure. Yeah, no, agree.
Yeah, exactly. Have a quick look at S&P. So this was yesterday. We broke out of the Asian session range. I haven't updated it yet. Looks a little bit messy here. But we had the Asian session high, Asian session low. Broke out of it in the morning. Came right back. Did a stop run again, Andrew. Similar to Bitcoin. And then we got the move higher. It's still moving higher this morning in pre-market trading.
And yeah, finally, let's have a look at the fan favorite XRP. So,
it's not bad. It's not bad.
It's done well. Nice recovery. Yeah, it's back above $3. So yeah, looks like it's a year off retirement. So I might finish work with I'm 99 now. Fantastic. Yeah,
I think we were looking at this price at on the last show.
Yes,
I feel like
we were looking at the pull down there. We can see we got that large pin bar down to 259, and it's rejected there quite nicely. So I wanted to he's forming some good support around the $3 mark. I'd be happy, and I'll say again with XRP, I just think it's underutilized at the moment, and I'm seeing a lot of chatter, about it being the transaction for the world. I know we had a little bit of news from Bermuda yesterday that it's lightning fast getting into people's bank accounts. So there's really good news for XRP. So we'll keep an eye on that.
There was another headline. I think it said that HSBC is now accepting it. I'm pretty sure that's what the headline said. I can have a second look. Yeah, HSBC is now allowing, I want to say they're now allowing transfers to XRP, in and out of XRP. So, but we can definitely confirm that for future shows. But I think that is huge.
Yeah, no, that's good news. Just want to get back to our trade. So we're looking to take a long position. We got the M5. It's undecided on the direction, so we are getting a change there. M15 still showing a downward trend. I'm looking to take a long position within the next hour, actually, before 8 a.m. before the UK wakes up. And I'll say that's more or less it for myself. So I'm just looking for a break above the price here. And then I'm looking to get a trade off for 30 ticks and a 30 tick stop loss. So, what we got going on today, Mandela? What's happening?
So today is a good day. So, last few days have been quite nice, Andrew. Last few days have been quite nice. So today, what do we have? This morning, I have a one-on-one session. I have a new client out. Actually, let's start off with the very first thing, because you be careful what you ask for, Andrew. Very first thing this morning at 8 o'clock this morning, my son's football academy is going to be featured on BBC Breakfast. So I'm going to surprise him. Thank you. If you are around the TV, I think it comes on at 7:50 a.m. and then again at 8:50. So checking that out, get him sorted out. And then at 11:30, I have a one-on-one session, first session with a new investor who is interested in learning more. And then walking it down to midday, got to pick up my son from school. And then we have the interest rate decision at 7 p.m. Probably not going to trade much before that. And then once the market closes, Andrew, I have my midweek football. So I'm going to be playing football at 9 p.m. the moment the market closes. I just got to figure. My favorite thing to do is just decide what I'm going to wear, and then when we get there, I put a bib on to cover it up. So it's
fantastic. So you're still playing left
setting.
back in the changing rooms?
Yeah, or right off. Yeah, right off. Sometimes. Yeah, it's a good time. I'm definitely the oldest person by far on the field, but it's good fun. I look forward to it.
Good day. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to end the stream now. So for myself, I'm looking at a long position on gold if the opportunity presents, and if not, I'm going to just stick in my hands for the day. So, thanks, Mandela, and I'll catch up with you later on, and I'll see you tomorrow morning.
Fantastic. Great show, Andrew. Thanks for having me on.
Today's show is sponsored by thefibers.com, better funding for traders. Get qualified by a private equity fund and manage up to $4 million. So you can choose your funding journey. So you can start with the one-step program, which is hyper growth, two-step program, which is the high stakes, and the low-cost program, which is the boot camp. So pop over to thefibers.com. Please use our affiliate link for 5% off, and it's a great way to start your prop firm journey. Next to ourselves, it's TradeZella.com, the only tool you need to become profitable. So you've got powerful and automated trade journaling. You can analyze your trading stats. You can gain some key insights. You can leverage up to 50 plus reports to monitor your progress. You can ask yourself a question after a week or two: do you have a profitable strategy? So you can go through your win rates, your profit factor, how many trades you actually missed. And you can even take it one step further. You can backtest, replay to help you improve. So pop over to TradeZella.com, use the discount code SFX25 for a 10% discount. And finally then, it's STXForex.com, the all-in-one complete trading package. Perfectly crafted trading program that meets all the needs of traders. So from Forex, futures, options and more, STS Forex provides mentorship and trading systems to suit every trader. So we got the all-in-one package there with this morning's sponsor. So thanks very much to thefibers.com, TradeZella.com and STSForex.com.